Step into a world where vitality knows no bounds, where the secret to boundless energy lies in every drop of water. This is Osmos, the company that believes in your infinite potential. We are proud to introduce Farmaqua Nutrive, our Italian-engineered masterpiece. It's not just water, it's life in its purest form. Imagine a water that not only hydrates your body, but invigorates your spirit. It's diatomic hydrogen water, a potent antioxidant that helps counter the effects of oxidative stress. It is what restores your body's natural balance. But here's where the magic unfolds. Farmaqua Nutrive is your gateway to a world of revitalization. It automatically dispenses a perfectly balanced blend of minerals and active ingredients, a formula designed to unlock your body's potential. It's more than hydration. It's a transformation. This device transcends the ordinary, caring not only for your internal well-being, but also your external beauty. It's your secret to radiant skin, lustrous hair, and a captivating smile. This is your personal oasis of wellness, the gift to yourself that keeps on giving. Infinite vitality isn't a dream, it's your reality. You deserve to live your life without limits. Osmos, the secret is in your water.